For sparkling floors, mix 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and a cup of rubbing alcohol in a sprayer. Start with 1 cup of water. It dilutes the cleaning agents to make it safe for your flooring. Pour in a cup of white vinegar. This natural disinfectant is ideal for so many places in your home. Add 8 ounces of rubbing alcohol. It helps the floor dry quickly without streaks. Shake it up to mix. Your floor cleaner is ready to make your floors shine. Spray your homemade cleaner onto the floor. It's time to tackle those dirty spots. Mop and watch your floors transform. Enjoy the streak-free, sparkling clean. Wow, we've done it! We've made our homes sparkle with all-natural homemade cleaners. Thanks for joining us on this green cleaning journey. If you love these DIY cleaning tips, remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the joy of natural cleaning with cheap, effective ingredients. We'd love to hear how these cleaners worked for you. Drop a comment below with your experience or any questions you might have. Thanks again for watching. Keep living clean and green, and we'll see you in the next one.